Hi, this is the TCL 40LC and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And by this way, we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. By this way, to remove the application from the folder, we should hold it and drag it to the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, you should hold it and drag it to remove icon. And also, if you want to give a name or to rename the folder, you should tap to the name or unnamed folder and enter the new one. To remove all of the applications with the folder together, you should just hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.